What's up guys, today we are going to unbox Huawei P20 Lite. Without wasting any time, this is Pratham and let's jump into the video. Guys.
We're living in a baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
First thing first is phone model, which is Huawei P20 Lite, written on the front of the box, which looks really cool. So let me open the box and show the contents of the box to you guys. So first we see the phone itself, so place it on the table and let's check out the other stuff in the box provided by Huawei. Then we see the charger, and the output of the charger is 5.2 ampere and a normal USB 2.0 to Type-C cable and a normal quality headphones. And now some paper. So now let's boot up the phone and the specification of Huawei P20 Lite right now on the screen. Thanks for watching this video guys, and if you like this video then don't forget to like the video, and if you are new on my channel then click on the red button to subscribe to the channel. I'll upload such more videos like this. So this is Pratham signing off.